I found this application, a separate fork of the original Fooocus, and it supports Flux models as well. This will be a short video on the installation. Search for Midjourney, SimpleSDXL, you will find a GitHub link. If clicked on the first result, you will find the project. It's using comfy UI behind the scene and its modules to run Flux model. It's written in Chinese, but we can translate the language. This is the download instruction, and you need to download this file. On clicking, we are not able to reach the download page. If we copy the file name and search on this website, then you will see the same file here. This 2.14 GB file can be downloaded by clicking this download icon. The second file is this. I will copy the name of this file and search on the same website by Ctrl and F key to locate. This is a large file around 49 GB, and we will also be downloading the second CKPT file, which is around the same size. As mentioned, the second file to be downloaded, this file is for Fooocus functionality and its models. After that you will see Flux model, 6 GB and 8 GB variants. I will copy the file and check on Hugging Face. This is where you can download the Flux model. The second Flux model is for 8 GB graphic cards. Can be downloaded from here. I will be sharing the link in description. There are 2 more Flux models mentioned here. But it needs a big graphic card, so did not download it. To use these bigger models you are required to have a patch package. It's also available on the same website where we downloaded the CKPT model. We have downloaded all the files. Now to start installation, go to the first file downloaded of size 2 GB. Use the rename option and remove the last dot and the alphanumerical values. The file should end with exe as you see now. Click Yes to save. Now create a folder for this application by the name of SimpleAI, like this, and paste the file we just renamed. Double-click to install the exe file. After the installation, you will get a file something like this. Inside you will find Run SimpleSDXL. This is where the application starts from, but I will not run the application now, because we are not done with all the files. Copy the base file, the one size of 49 GB, and paste it in the SimpleAI folder. The compressed base file contains a folder named Simple Models. You need to extract the base file in the SimpleAI folder. It should be like this. Just have a note of it. If you check inside the base compressed file, you will see multiple folders. Now, let's look at the CKPT file, which is also around 47 GB. Inside we can see it also has a folder named Simple Models. We will not be able to extract this file in the SimpleAI folder due to similar names. Inside these simple models there are only 2 folders, and you can see this as the checkpoint, are similar to what we can see in Fooocus application. Just extract CKPT file somewhere else and copy all the checkpoints, and also this file named colors, then paste it to the extracted Simple Models folder, inside their respective folders like this. Also this colors in diffuser folder. We are done with these large files. Now, we need to move these Flux models into the applications checkpoint folder, which is inside a simple model folder. Like this. We are done with the folders. Now to run the application, we can go to the SimpleSDXL2 folder and click this bat file. At the first run, it may download some utility files from the internet, which will take some time. When it's done, look at the command prompt for any errors, mostly at the end. I came across an error like this. It says Fooocus expansion does not appear to have a config file. To fix the error, go to Simple Models, then prompt expansion, Fooocus expansion. You will find a single file named PyTorch model only. In my case, I downloaded the missing files and now it's working. If you saw my previous video on making a LoRa, you know what it is. The prompt expansion. Missing files can be downloaded from here. I need to work on this website, but I am kind of occupied, so you can just ignore and get your stuff. Extract the downloaded file in the Fooocus expansion folder. In the folder, you will find the remaining files. Just copy and paste it in the Fooocus expansion folder. Restart the application again. The application should work properly. You may see the application in Chinese language. There is an option in the 5th tab to change the language. Sometimes it doesn't work. If you look at the address bar, there is a parameter named Lang with a value. In your case, if it's EN for Chinese, you can directly change it to EN and press enter. This is the Fooocus default model, Juggernaut. On the right, there is an option for the Flux model. Select Flux to activate it. Changing a model eats up the entire RAM space of 16 GB. I'm recording this on a different potato PC using a capture card, so it's just the browser and application. I will write a prompt test. Let's check what is the output, what's happening. As said before, it is using comfy UI modules in the backend to make Flux work, so we can see the prompt and the Flux model is being used, image size and other details. When generating the first image, the RAM consumption goes at the maximum. Once it is down, then I can generate some good images quickly without any stress on my computer. The 4060 Ti-16 is also not much utilized for these two images. I will generate for the second time and check the graph. The application has some bugs which need to be highlighted and fixed. Let me know your thoughts. If the project is interesting, is there a need for a detailed video? The functionality available in the application?